Good morning, guys. So I just placed this trade right now for a long on ES, right? I'm looking for them to run up higher, just five handles into this imbalance here, all right? Looking for this nice run higher, all right? Uh, looks like it's responding from new wick open gap. So I'm looking to drop my stop. Like right there is good. I don't really want to see it come down. I want to just see this move higher. And let's leave it up there for the 186. So yeah, so I did get in a little earlier on the FTMO account, but it's okay. We'll just use with what we can. Let me see to any nicer way to put this. Boom, boom. Okay. I want to leave it underneath here, but we'll see for now. We'll see for now. But yeah, I want to see this run higher, aggressively hard, take out these highs, push, push, push. And we will see if we can get that run right now. No move. No. We see this imbalance here that you can use, but realistically, I want to look at this one. Okay, I want to see if it can be used as support to push this higher. But we will see. We shall see. Obviously, imbalance right here, right? Order block. So let's be safe and just throw it underneath that 41.74 right there. Okay. And then, like I said, looking for this to push higher into this high here, right into the 15-minute high above that, consequent encroachment, right? And above equilibrium is where we will be taking pressures, right? So no worries there. Let's see if we can get this price run that I want. Hmm. Okay. Price moving higher right now. Looking good, looking good. So 4180 to 4184-ish, 5-ish. Overall, target should be, these highs here, AM highs, but we will see if we can get there. If not, it's okay. All right, it's about to be 3-ish in about 30 minutes or so. So looking for this aggressive run higher to start running. Right, a lot of stop run here, accumulation. So looking for maybe a one direction move now to set the stage in the market. It's looking for it to run aggressively higher, right? Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, the better entry would be down here, right? But it's okay, you know. Close proximity entries. Just see if we can get there. Hmm. Hmm. So I did take some losses yesterday and then the day before yesterday too, which is kind of tough, or like basically like Thursday and yesterday. Just wasn't right in the right mental. Didn't really want to edit the video and then go over it. So just gonna have this one here now to go over it. Right. This theory. Took some few losses there yesterday. Right. Had a win, lost a win and lost some more. Had a little smaller win, had a smaller loss. Yeah. It's kind of in that plateau right now, but hopefully we can get back to it, right? And push and have a good run to kind of have a better week. Mhm. I want speed and distance. I want a nice caffeine bar, one big bar, push higher. I don't want to you know, give me an idea that, hey, this can break down anytime and just start running lower. I want this to say, hey, we're going higher and that's the only direction we're going. And whoever's not in is going to get, hit by the train. So equilibrium's right here on the dealing range. So just move higher, looking for kind of to rocket higher soon. We can see that. That'll be ideal. Okay. Use it as support, right? You guys see that? Right. Right. Want this to just be open. Don't really want to see this come down, take it. And I want them to use this, push price, bounce off of it, and then overall run it higher. Hmm. Tough that I got burned yesterday, but it is what it is. It happens, Just wasn't right in the right mental. Didn't want to post a recording, right? But see if we can get this nice run up higher. Up here, okay. Solid run. Like I said, looking for a nice caffeine bar. Nice big run higher. There's a lot of buy side above this. And I really want to see them clear it. All right. Best case scenario is to take it all the way up here, but I'm not aiming for that much. I'm aiming for about 5 handles and then we're gonna call it. Yeah. After a loss, I don't really want to push too hard, you know. So we'll see. We will see. We shall see. Hmm. Yeah, I want to see the last hour. So around at 3 o'clock, I want to see the last hour just be really bullish, aggressively higher, right? I do have a buy here, right? And I kind of want to see price get up and away from that. And I'm gonna take partials up here, and I want to see the rest run either up here, you know. But we will see. We will see. Hmm. Market seems like they want to take their time, so can't really force it to go higher or lower at the moment. So price is responding right here, right? Come down here one last time, you know, maybe, and then rocket away is what I'm trying to look for. I'm trying to look for this manipulation lower and then the rocket higher, but we'll see if we can get that. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, it's at that. Yeah. No worries, no worries. Takes these lows here. I might look for a skill and entry, but we will see. Okay, looks like it's responding nicely. Where's constant encroachment? Oh, you can trade this. Yeah, 5 there. All right. executions. So there and there, right? Looking for them to use this order block as an area where they will want to move higher from, right? That's what I'm looking for. So price comes lower, it takes out. Let me turn off the execution now because it's bothering. So we see that they're coming lower into this order block here, right? Stop loss underneath the order block. Hopefully we can get a nice run higher. I think this is just manipulation at the moment. Well, I like to believe that this is manipulation lower, right? A lot of people try to sell for it to go lower, right? I really want to see it move away and push higher, right? If this is the case and if they want to trade lower, I'm not saying they can't, but I prefer them, try to stay above the new week opening gaps, right? So prices here, order block here, right? So imbalance, order block, and then this swing relatively equal lows right here, but I don't want them to come near that. I want them to just kind of push higher, right? And get above equilibrium. That could work for them, but we will see. We shall see. Yeah. Looks like it responded nicely. Let's see if I can get the mean threshold of that. Mean threshold is 41.76 and a quarter. So stab into it, right? Like I said, I want to see this and then a big run higher if we can see. We can get that to run buy side, right? Which if the markets were moving well, I think that is a very good plan. But currently the market seems to be struggling a little bit, so I have to be very cautious with our trades. I do want to move my stop below these lows. All right, I'm gonna do it. Adjust this and adjust on my account. All right. Second. It shouldn't want to trade below this level. If it does, then I'm just incorrect and I'll just take another loss for today and probably just say, hey, let's reset. But if it does do well, I'd like to be, it'd be nice to see if we can get this run higher. So it's not immediately responding off of it, right? I want to give it some time, right? I don't want to just kind of say, hey, like during these market conditions, it's very difficult for price to just come down. Oh, there's a run lower right there. Very, very aggressive run lower. I'll tell you that. Okay. See if it could respond. It's gonna sound not too crazy, but yeah, it is running down into the new week opening gap. New week opening gap is the customer measurement is tagged. And does it really want to just keep ripping lower? That's the crazy part. If it does, yep. Okay. Well, that stopped me out. Very, very tough that that happened. Right. Like I said, I was looking for it to run aggressively higher, but didn't happen. right. Sadly, another loss in the books. Just killing me right here. But well, it is what it is, right? It happens. So let's wrap this video up. Hope you guys have a better trading day than me, right? And yeah, good luck and good trading, you guys.